How to send PayPal money to friends and family. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing is to be logged into your PayPal account. Now the next thing you want to do is to locate the send icon and tap on it. Now if you've previously sent money to this particular family or friend, you can just select from the list below. If you've not, you might want to go ahead and add up their PayPal username or phone number. Now over here is where you add how much you are willing to send to this person. You can also change the currency, but please note that this might attract a little charge. Now go ahead and input the amount that you would want to send to this family or friend. You can also write what it's for, the money it's for, and then click on next. Now go ahead and tap on for family and friends, and once you do this, the money will be sent to that particular family or friend. And this is how you send PayPal money to friends and family. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.